everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Pixie again, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixie. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you're doing right now. I hope you're doing it fabulously and safely and taking care of yourself and your loved ones. And tonight is going to be a little bit different video, but kind of the same. It's like a 2-in-1. So, yeah, I'll get to that. An update on the hurricane, storm, tropical depression, whatever it ended up being. Really nothing happened. I literally sat on the porch all night and just watched rain band after rain band after rain band come in, and then the next day it was like nothing happened. It just rained all night. So I was like, okay, I'll take it. As a Floridian, you just never know. So we're gonna adjust this. That's a little bright. As you can see, I am not wearing any makeup right now, but it's also an unboxing, as you saw in the title, because it's a Disney box. So I got another vintage Disney piece, and I'm super excited about this. Well, I'm obviously excited about all of the ones I'm finding off eBay. This is a Maleficent. So after I unbox this, we're going to do a, you guessed it, Maleficent inspired lookbook. And I just thought this would be a nice twist so I can show you what I got in this box, and then we will do the look. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm so excited because this is another piece I had in my childhood, and it was in that poor box that disappeared off my mom's porch. Thank you to whoever did that and made me lose all of my Disney collectibles. We have our handy dandy razor. So I do believe this was about $22 off of eBay. The other ones I saw were pretty similar in price, and yeah, I just had to have it. I'm still looking for the Sleeping Beauty fairies to go with it that I had. I did find one auction with all three, but the Merryweather was broken, and I was going to just kind of keep looking and try to find one where they weren't damaged. If I have to buy them individually, I will. And holy crap, this is going to be a disaster because there's so many squigglies in here. Oh my goodness. It says, hi, thanks so much for your order. I've already left positive feedback. Wishing you many blessings, Michelle. And she left me a little Donald sticker. But let me show you what I'm talking about. There's so many squigglies in this box. I'm so scared. I'm going to be vacuuming for days. But I'm going to try to pull it out. They're just still going to go everywhere. I didn't know there were going to be so many squigglies. She may have emailed me about this, and I was like, yeah, it won't be that messy. No, it's going to be messy. That's... wow. That took a lot of time, because those are like shredded emails or something. That's some good packaging, though. They're already all over the desk. So here we go. I'm so excited to see this again. This was from the parks, but they don't make these anymore, hence the vintage part. But I really liked this collection. It's really well wrapped. And yeah, I'm just happy to slowly grow my collection back and add new ones that I find. I'm so impatient, but I'm trying to be careful. Okay, so here we go in the tissue paper. Unwrap, unwrap, unwrap. And we have her out. She is so beautiful. She is a classic Maleficent. And it looks like she is in just perfect condition. Her staff is intact. And yeah, she is just beautiful. Please focus. So there we have it. I just love old school Maleficent. Sleeping Beauty was my favorite growing up. If I had to pick a princess, it would be Aurora. You can even see her fingernails are like perfectly painted. I loved these pieces especially because not only are they a part of my childhood, but they were like hand painted. And the bottom says Disney China, Disney Attractions. That probably said Lake Buena Vista, Florida, because that's where Disney's located. And oh, by the way, it's not a toy. But yay, Maleficent. She is gorgeous. She's just so pretty. I love her. I love her. So let me put her down before I break her, and then we'll get started with the look. Yay!